Erizoba ebyokwerinda byayonjezebwamu amaani okwetorora etawuni ya Gaba na munonga hu koti yashutama okuhura orubanja rwa Christopher Okello Onyum orukugambwa kuba yisira abaana bana arukukoresa ekisyo ahari Gaba Early Childhood Development Center.
Do you know Odeke Ryan?
Abekeza afirirwa abana babo basindika baroya bashatu aba barimu Stanley Okecho, Pius Katumba Busobozi na Roger Mugabi, kandi we Okello yabaine baroya babiri Richard Kumbuga na Sarah Awero. Na bwanyuma babashomera Christopher Okello emishangwena eyo kwita abana bana abarimu Eteku Gideon, Keisha Angenworth, Seryange Ignatius na Odeke Ryan ahabirobere by'okwezi kwakana.
Nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026 eGaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Gaba Trading Center Gaba Parish Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta Eteku Gideon. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye nga si kituufu.
Nagwamu amaanyi nadduka naye nga mpulira ebigere tebitambula.
I lost the energy. I tried to run but I felt my feet were not moving.
Ninfuna boda.
I got a boda.
Yes. When nafuna boda nagenda okusanga abantu nga bajjudde essomero nga bantu bangi.
When I reached the school, I found when many people had gathered around the school.
Nayingira buyingizi nabatomera butomezi.
I just entered.
Yes. When nayingira mu kibiina ne mpita Gideon nga simulaba.
When I entered the classroom, I called Gideon, but I could not see him.
Nensoka nengwa wansi.
Urwo rubajo ruhababi orwabarukurirwe Jonathan Muwaganya bagambira koti ng'obujuruzi bwa Dr. Katongore Abdul owachebire emitumbi y'abana bisorwe arukweyambisa ripota ya Dr. yayorekangwa abana bakafa bo kurugwamesha gamanyingi.
The first one, my lord, is a postmortem report in respect of Eteku Gideon. He was a preschool child.
Omushango gwayemerera okumara edakiika 15 nukwe kugaruka obwo rubajo ruhababi rukwanjura abajurizi aba baribishe b'abana aba abarimu Stella Aporot orumama wa Eteku Gideon, Okurut Simon orutata wa Odeke Ryan, Mbazira Lawrence orutata wa Seryange Ignatius na Marvin Otim orutata wa Keisha Angenworth Otim.
You are charged in four counts. You unlawfully caused the death of Eteku Gideon. What this offense means is that you, with intention, you unlawfully caused the death of this person called Eteku Gideon. Mr. Okello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty.
Okello akakwatwa ebyokwezi 2 izobe rukugambwa kuba yatemwira abana bana kandi akareeta omukoti ya Makindye ebyokwezi 7 rero 28 yatwarwa omukoti enkuru biterizo bayihakana ogwo kwita abana aba. Omushango ogu nogwisha kugaruka mu biro by'okwezi 15 kwakana.
Abo bokka abatasobola kuyimirira